This partnership with
He's
Michael
big
Jordan,
time.
man, what a week he's
He is
having.
big time. I call him big time.
You call him big time?
Big time.
Big time.
I'm big time. It's big time.
Big time.
Big time.
Big time.
Big time!
Big time. Big time. Big time. Big time.
Big time, man!
What's up, guys? It's your boy Big Time, and we're back today with another unboxing. Today we have the Jordan 4 Breds. Let's get straight into it because I'm very excited. It's my first pair of 4s, and as far as I'm concerned, Breds is probably the best colorway for the 4s, so I'm super happy that I got a hands on these. I've been a big fan of Jordan 4s for a long time, but I've just been waiting for that right colorway to come along. And like I said, for me, there is nothing better than a classic black and red Jordan, and the 4s is no exception. Alright, let's get that out the way. Right off the bat, classic Jumpman flight box. Let's get rid of this. Absolutely perfect. This is as good as it gets for a classic Jordan. Let's get them both out. There you have it. Jordan 4 Breds. Let's have a good look at the shoe. So that upper is a beautiful black nubuck suede. You got little hits of the cement colorway on the midsole and the crown. On the back, which is what a lot of people were excited about, this version, the 2019, doesn't have the Jumpman on the heel tab, but we have the classic Nike Air branding in that grey cement as well. A little bit of fire red behind the tongue. Let me pull this out, have a good look at it. Fire red behind the tongue and on the Jumpman flight logo on the front. And then we got subtle hits of the fire red just on the bottom of the midsole there and on the heel. And we've got that classic Jordan 4 outsole. Super simple, nothing over the top, but this is about as classic as you get with a Jordan shoe. The tag is a little bit different than the 3. On all my 3s, it is a hard plastic tag, which I've actually put on a couple of my jackets, which is kind of really nice. This one is the kind of thing I'd probably just be happy to throw away or keep in the box and just keep it as a keepsake, but it's nothing special there. Now, I've seen a lot of people have had problems with the black paint on the midsole there has been crumbling. Mine looks pretty good. Very excited to get these on foot. It is sort of coming into winter in Melbourne right now, so rainy days are quite common. So these are going to be held out for a bit of a special occasion, but I will break these in very soon because I've been hanging to get some 4s on my feet. And these are about as good as it gets. 2019 does seem to be the year of the bread. Jordan brand is knocking them out. We've had a couple of Jordan 1s in the classic black and red colorway. Now we've got the classic 4s, and at the end of the year, we are going to get the Bred 11s, which will complete my Jordan 11 collection. I'm very excited about. Last couple of years I've been pretty lucky and gotten everything I wanted. That's the last of my 11s on my list, so that's going to be a good one. Hopefully Foot Locker will come through again. But yeah, man, super happy with these. Hopefully you guys were lucky enough to get a pair as well. That's it for me. It's your boy Big Time. Out. Peace.